It's Professor Cocktail, and I think I'm a little hammered right now. Oh, yeah, I'm hammered. I'm hammered. Because I've been doing a couple of vodkas in solo cups, you know? Tonight, the drink is very easy. Kind of disgusting sounding, but it's very easy. It's called a smoker's cough, and it consists of just Yagermeister and a mayo shot. So, we use our little shot glass. Let's put the mayo in first, okay? And then we get our Yagermeister. Everyone knows Yagermeister. From the days of college, oh my God. This one I'm gonna love. We do the mixing and put it back in, and then we do the professor mix. Go around and around and around, reverse, around and around and around, reverse once. Woo! Look at that drink. It's a Yagermeister mayo shot, and you know what? It looks like spit and phlegm in the same glass. What do you think about that? Tastes like spit and phlegm also. Oh God, somebody's gonna like it though. I'm certain of that. Okay.